Okay, now in this section we are gonna install an Ubuntu client and which is gonna sync its time with our CentOS NTP server. Okay, so in order to do that, first we can install a software. Most probably it's already installed in my system, but I'll show you. You can either use sudo on Ubuntu, or if you have SU or super user configured, then you can use that in order to log in. And then apt install NTP date. That's the application you need to install. I don't have it installed, so I'm gonna say yes. Okay, it is installed now. And now I'm gonna try to sync with my NTP server. And since I don't have DNS installed, so I'm gonna use the IP address instead of the host name of the machine. And the command for that is NTP date and then my IP address 10.0.2.13 is the IP address. And I'm gonna try to sync it with my server. And as you can see, it's showing the NTP update, and the adjusted time server is this, and this is the offset value. Okay, the next step is to disable the default Ubuntu's systemd time sync D service. And the way you do it is, first let's clear this, and then we're gonna do time date ctl set NTP off. With the time sync D disabled, we'll now install NTP daemon and set our own configured NTP server as preferred NTP server for the time synchronization. In order to do that, we'll first install NTP. Oh, it's already, we have the newest version, so I guess it came default on the Ubuntu server. Next, what we're going to do is configure NTP daemon to use our previously configured NTP server resolved via the NTP host name. Okay, so the following Linux command will set NTP as a preferred NTP time synchronization service. So the way we do that is bash -c echo server 10.0.2.13 prefer iburst, and we're going to direct it to etc ntp.conf. Okay, done. Then we're going to restart the service. So service NTP restart, and then we're going to use NTP. So now we're going to use the NTP queue command to list the NTP time synchronization queue, and its command is NTP queue -p. And as you can see, our server is here, the 10.0.2.13 that we just configured, along with the list of all the other servers. But it's got a star right next to it. That means that's our preferred server.